I have been making hot chocolate lately, and I've been making it a different way to the way I've demonstrated before, and I think this is the best, the most delicious hot chocolate that I've ever made, and I also think it is probably the easiest. We're not actually going to use plant-based milk from a carton or homemade plant-based milk. We're going to put everything in a blender, we're going to make everything all in one, then we're going to heat it up. It is actually super easy, and I hope that you enjoy this. Please do comment, please do share. Please do share this, please do subscribe to my channel just to help get that energy out there. I want to hear what other suggestions you guys have. So let's get on with making this hot chocolate. Okay, so you need a blender. A high power blender is ideal, but you can use any blender for this. If you haven't got a high power blender, I would suggest soaking the cashews in advance. So we're going to pop some cashews in the blender, and then we're also going to pop some hemp seeds in. And the actual reason that I'm using cashews and hemp seeds are not only are they delicious, highly nutritious, and so incredibly yummy, they blend really easy without soaking. Although if you don't have a high power blender, you might want to soak them in advance. And then you want to get a little bit of cacao powder, 100% pure cacao or cocoa powder. Get organic, get fair trade. The chocolate, cacao, cocoa industry is really notorious for not being fair trade. Make sure above all you get fair trade and organic, so that you can sleep at night with your conscience. And if you want a little bit of warming spices and a bit of cinnamon, and I like to add fresh ginger in there. You actually don't need to grate it because we're going to blend it. You don't really need to do anything with it. So just want a tiny little bit, you can cut a little bit off, snap it up just about that sort of size. Pop it in, then a dash of vanilla extract, about a tablespoon or something of maple syrup. You can also use coconut sugar. Right, so you've got the nuts and seeds which create the fattiness, and remember, if you don't have hemp seeds, you can just use cashews. You can do it with all hemp seeds if you want to, but that works out slightly differently. I recommend a 50-50 ratio of cashew and hemp seeds, so you're just getting such a plethora of goodness just from that. And then what you want to do is add some water in there. Put the lid on really tight, and because I want the seeds and the nuts super smooth, I'm going to blend this for about a minute. The first thing I do when I make anything is smell it, because we have these incredibly powerful senses and we might as well use them. And it smells like heaven. So give it a little taste, make sure it's got the balance. Yeah, that's delicious. But I'm going to heat that up. That's actually quite a nice room temperature sort of chocolate drink as it is. But this is hot chocolate, and when I heat it up, it's actually going to create a more thicker creaminess, a bit like those Spanish hot chocolates that I've tried, which are thick and creamy. You might actually want to give it a little bit of a stir, because it does start to thicken a little bit, and I think that is the action of the powder and the ground blended nuts and seeds. And it might just give it a little stir, but you can mostly sort of leave it. Nope, it doesn't take long. Probably want a minute or two. Ooh, that is becoming so thick and so creamy. So just a couple of minutes and my lovely friends, it is ready to enjoy. Oh my word, that is so creamy. It's almost like it's magic. It's a sort of divine alchemy in the kitchen that I love. Okay, so let's do a little taste test. Oh my God. It's like it's transporting me off to another realm. I really want you guys to try this, to let me know how you get on, to dance with it, to play with it, to explore. I love hearing from you. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Definitely let me know how you get on. I'm Anastasia Eden. My website is kindearth.net. Please do come check it out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not sure if I said that already. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.